Alright, welcome to Bone Apple Tea, a corgi culinary adventure. So today we are going to be making some doggy cannolis. Alright, so to make the doggy cannolis, we're going to be using these beef tracheas. I've got 3 of them here. These are from Real Dog Box. I'm going to put our link in the bio because we do get a free bag of treats if you guys sign up. You also get a free bag of treats if you use our link. So free dog food is always fantastic. So yeah, we'll be using these 3 tracheas. And basically with a dog cannoli, you're taking these tracheas and you're stuffing them with stuff. So what I have, oh, I forgot one ingredient. It's prepping. And, okay. Alright, so what I'm going to be stuffing our tracheas with to make our doggy cannolis today. We've got some Fage yogurt. When it focuses. Woo. Okay, so yeah, we've got our Fage yogurt. That's going to be like the core part of our stuffing. I've got some chia seeds. I'll throw in like a spoonful or so of those. I've got some Honest Kitchen freeze-dried dog food mix. I think this is the chicken flavor. I get the whole grain one. So yeah, I think this is the whole grain chicken. Usually mix it with a little bit of water. I'll probably put a little bit of water in, but I feel like the yogurt's also like liquidy. Just to kind of bulk it up a little bit, make it a little bit more substantial. And then I also have this bag of frozen blueberries. Alright, so the fun part of this is going to be trying to figure out exactly how much yogurt I need. I might start with a smaller batch and start stuffing them, and then based on how that goes, make some more, because I'm just worried I'm going to make like too much yogurt mix. Okay, so we've got our yogurt. And so you can make these doggy cannolis and fill them with whatever you want personally. This is just what I had on hand / what I got to stuff them with. Alright, so I'm going to do a hefty spoon like that to start with. And let me grab a little scraper too. Let's see. Can I find our little baby one? That would be great. Ha! Okay, baby spatula. Okay, baby spatula, or at least smaller spatula. Scrape some of this yogurt off of the spoon into the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And then put in, I'm not gonna measure out the chia seeds, I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it and just sprinkle them in. Right, so it looks like that currently with our yogurt and chia seeds. And you know, I'm gonna put the blueberries in last. So I'm gonna put a splash of water in. Okay, put some water in there because I want some water to go with this. Just kind of water down the yogurt too, make it go a little bit further. Alright, and again, doing a lot of eyeballing here. I'm not being precise with anything. Okay. Alright, so sprinkle out some Honest Kitchen. I'm going to stir it now. It's looking real good. And by real good, I mean really weird. Yum. Okay. Just stir it up now, and then I'll add blueberries in. A little bit more watery than I anticipated. We will make that work. And I think once the Honest Kitchen kind of bulks up and absorbs that water better, that will help too. And also that the blueberries will kind of help bind it together as well. Could also put a little bit of peanut butter in here maybe. I don't know. I think I'll just stick with this though. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so I'm gonna put some blueberries in. I'm just gonna do like 2 small handfuls to start with, and then I'll probably put some blueberries on the ends too. Kind of like how in an actual cannoli, you might have like chocolate chips or something on the ends. Okay. We are in business. So this is what we've got so far. And now, let's see. How do I want to do this? So I'm gonna get a gallon bag. Okay, got my gallon bag. And oh, Tater is saying hello. Tater, it's okay. Okay, so I will get one of these tracheas out. Whoop. And I'm gonna stuff it like in the bag like this so I can stand it upright, and then if anything comes out, it's already in the bag. Okay, so now I'm gonna carefully pour my concoction in. You know what? I think I probably did lowball this, but I can always make more. I've got plenty of all the ingredients. And I feel like this is going to be a relatively heavy treat. So when it comes to actually giving this to Tater, I am not planning on letting him eat a whole trachea in one go. That seems like that would be too much for his stomach. So probably just do like, let him work on it for like 10 minutes or so and then take it away. Oh, and my battery's gonna die. Okay, and we're back. Alright, so I swapped out my battery, and while in the meantime I went and I filled all the cannolis. So this is fairly messy. I'm gonna freeze them and it'll solidify better. So I'm just gonna bring the camera to the cannolis here because it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so you can see they're in the bag. I need to wipe the bag off too. I did not put as much filling in the next 2, I feel like, and then I capped the ends with some blueberries. So I'm going to carefully put these in the fridge lying flat. I do have some extra mix I'll give Tater, and then I also just put my spoon in the yogurt. So now this is his yogurt, so he can have this yogurt. But yeah, here they are, and I will update when he gets to eat them. Okay, I'm gonna have Tater finally have his first cannoli. This is gonna be his dinner because I feel like it's heavy enough that, like, I know it's not a balanced meal, but you know what, it's a special treat. And I feel like if he has actual food too, it's just gonna be way too much. But this is about to be super ratchet. I feel like it's gonna be really messy. And so I'm gonna feed him in the bathtub, or try to. We'll see if he wants to eat in the bathtub. I mean, like, it's frozen solid, but I just worry that once he starts chewing it, that it's gonna start melting. And our apartment's mostly carpet, so I don't want him eating it on the carpet. So I feel like if I put him in the bathtub with it and then close the bathroom door and sit and watch him eat it, that's gonna be like the least messy, as long as he's okay with it. I was thinking about doing it out on our patio, but it's like pitch black now at like 7:30. So I don't know. I don't want to put him outside. Plus, I feel like he may be more willing to eat in the bathtub. We'll see. So, okay. So, we have the Tater in the bathtub. We have the cannolis. Okay, stay in the bathtub, bud. You're good to eat in the bathtub. I know it's really weird. So, cannoli. Yeah, see, this is food. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to flip the viewfinder here. Ugh. Okay. There you go. Keep eating. for you. Also, my thought process with this is like, obviously the bathtub's gonna be the easiest thing to clean. So if it does get messy, like I can just turn the shower on to rinse it out, and our bathtub needs to be clean anyways. No, you gotta eat it in the bathtub. You gotta eat it in the bathtub. Sorry, bud. He's like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I figured this might be confusing for him because obviously he's never eaten in our bathtub before. No, that's gotta stay in there. So, well, yeah, okay. We'll see if he starts chewing on it in the bathtub. It's okay, buddy. Oh, bud. Yeah, there you go, just lick it. Lick it in the bathtub. He likes it. He likes the cannoli. It's just the whole being in the bathtub part that's confusing him. I don't know. Maybe I should let him eat it on the patio. We'll try that. Or maybe if I hold it in the kitchen. Cause yeah, you are very confused about why you're eating in the bathtub. Okay, let's try something different.